For my liver cirrhosis research, I need to separate proteins from each other in order to analyze them. To do this, I will use a method called shell electrophoresis. Nucleic acid molecules like DNA or RNA are separated by applying an electric field to move the negatively charged molecules through a shell matrix of agarose or other substances. Shorter molecules move faster and migrate farther than longer ones because shorter molecules migrate more easily through the pores of the shell. This phenomenon is called sieving. Proteins are separated by the charge in agarose because the pores of the shell are too large to sieve them. Shell electrophoresis requires relatively high DC voltages. This is because between 4 and 10 volts per centimeter of shell length is needed. The current should be constant. Of course, I built the necessary electronics myself. To do this, I first purchased this power supply from AliExpress. I first disassembled the power supply to desolder the two tiny potentiometers used to adjust the voltage and current, and replace them with pin headers. Wires were then soldered to the pin headers and the power supply was reassembled. To accommodate two multi-turn potentiometers and banana plugs, I designed a bracket and 3D printed it. The front panel was laser engraved and cut from 3 mm PMMA. After the front panel, potentiometers and banana jacks were fitted, I took care of the power cord. The small handmade aluminum part serves as a cable clamp. The voltage can be adjusted between 12 and 170 volts and the current between 0 and 3 amps. As I looked at the finished power supply, I thought that a timer would be quite useful. So I designed a corresponding PCB, had it manufactured and populated it. It's not possible to touch high voltage contacts on the top side of the PCB, but it's possible on the bottom side. That's why I designed another laser engraved and cut PMMA panel for the bottom side. A timer of up to 24 hours can be set. Pressing the start button starts the countdown and triggers the relay. The process can be interrupted at any time by pressing the stop button. The jail chamber is from 3B Scientific and normally costs $500, but I got it for $200 in a Black Friday deal. Since the electrodes are made of platinum, the reduced price is more or less justified. The plastic is also UV transparent if you want to observe the electrophoresis process when using fluorescent dyes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay true, stay you.